So what I'm doing now is, you can see the water. The water is dirty to tell you that it's in days, you know. So I use clean water now, wash it 3-4 times, and then put it in the sieve. So I'll wash this, just soak it a little bit, wash it, then put it in something like this, put it in a sieve, and allow it for a while to let the water just go out. The reason for taking out the water is because when you put this in the fridge, you want, when you bring it out, you want it to still be in the same form that you put it in. You want it to still be in the same form that you put it in. You don't want it to be gummy, because if there's enough water inside it, it's gonna stick together. But if you try to remove the water from it, then you're making it to be kind of independent on itself, to be dry and also not sticky inside the freezer. So like I promised you, some of the yam that I'm going to cut, this one now, I'm going to cut it in a form that is going to be easy for me to fry it straight. So these I might be cutting round, or I might be cutting fingers in finger form, so that it's easy when you take it out from the fridge. You just put it inside and start frying it. So just stay tuned. I'm going to show you lots of ways that I do it. So this is the final thing we have now. So I packed it in different forms. This is white, just salted, and this is a kind of marinated. So I put some sauce in here and marinate it. As you can see, it's dry because I used the sieve to dry the water and keep it for a while. And here, this is the one I can use for oven. I can just either fry this in deep fryer or oven fry. So I marinated this in sauce. Now this will just go into the fridge, the freezer, the deep freezer, and when you bring it out, it will be as solid as intended. So you can also pack yours using the deep freezer pack, the airtight deep freezer pack. Okay. So thank you very much for watching. Tell me how you do yours. How do you preserve your yam? How do you preserve your yam if you buy it in bulk? Do you buy in bulk? Then tell me how you preserve your yam, and then like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Thank you once again for enjoying it. I hope you enjoy it. Share, comment, and goodbye.